Number 16, drop by. It means to visit informally or unexpectedly.
Can you drop by the office this afternoon? Can you drop by the office this afternoon? He decided to drop by her house unannounced. He decided to drop by her house unannounced. They often drop by for coffee on Sundays. They often drop by for coffee on Sundays.
Number 17, end up ing. It means to finally find oneself in a situation or to do something unplanned.
We ended up going to the beach, despite the weather. We ended up going to the beach, despite the weather. She ended up buying the dress she liked. She ended up buying the dress she liked. They ended up staying at the party all night. They ended up staying at the party all night.
Number 18, fed up with. It means to be tired or annoyed by something that has been happening for too long.
I'm fed up with all this rain. I'm fed up with all this rain. She's fed up with the constant delays. She's fed up with the constant delays. He got fed up with waiting and left. He got fed up with waiting and left.
Number 19, fill out. It means to complete a form or document with required information.
Please fill out the application form carefully. Please fill out the application form carefully. She filled out the survey and submitted it. She filled out the survey and submitted it. You need to fill out your tax return by April. You need to fill out your tax return by April.
Number 20, fit in. It means to belong to a particular group or environment by adapting or conforming.
It's hard to fit in at a new school. It's hard to fit in at a new school. He changed jobs, but didn't really fit in. He changed jobs, but didn't really fit in. She tries to fit in with her coworkers. She tries to fit in with her coworkers.